Hello and welcome to this introduction to the income and expense report spreadsheet. If you want to see this in detail, please watch the full demo. This is just an overview. I just want to explain what the different tabs are for. Firstly, you've got your setup and settings page. So this is where you can set up each year. So what you do is you keep a spreadsheet for a blank spreadsheet like this, a blank version of the spreadsheet, save as for each financial year, and then each year set up the spreadsheet using the different, all the red cells you can fill in. At the bottom here are some green ones that are automated. So the green ones from the previous financial year, you copy and paste the data across into the new spreadsheet. So you can take a look at the setup, all the criteria that's required there. The red cells you fill in, green ones are automated. Then once you've set it up for each year, you can go through each of the different months. So the months are broken down based on your selection. So each tab for each month of the year. And you can go and enter all the information required, the date. You can select the category, description, so on and so forth, debit and credit, and select where VAT is applicable. So those are tab for each different month. Then you can get onto reports and you can see the reports, so your financial report for the year, that returns incoming and outgoing, opening and closing balances, loan activity, etc., etc. And you can come to a category. You can select which category you'd like to see. And you can select which category you'd like to see, and the graph will change accordingly, as well as your sales income. You can see a breakdown of the year of income and expense and where it's come from, all the different values. You can also go down and see an income breakdown per year, expense outgoing breakdown per year, and a difference breakdown for the year. Then you can also do VAT returns, and when you select which VAT return you'd like to show, that VAT return will populate on this VAT file, and this page here is compatible with the third-person software that we've and this page is compatible with a third-party software that we recommend for uploading VAT returns to HMRC. So that is compatible. Take a look at the website for more information about that. The tax return and the tax file are coming soon when HMRC get their ducks in a row. But at the moment, the VAT returns are calculated. You've got your category report, all the different tabs for each different month, and then the setup. This is the most important sheet. You need to get this right. But as I said, watch the full demo, download a free trial, take a look at the product, and this is what you're looking for. We wish you all the best with it. Thank you. Bye-bye.